Well, hi, and welcome to today's quick training covering 3 advantages of vocal coaching for speakers. Let's start with the first one, which is this: understanding how the brain processes spoken language. Now, when you hear someone's voice, the sound waves are processed in this order: your ear, your amygdala, and then your prefrontal cortex. What's interesting about this is that the language of the amygdala is emotion, while the language of the prefrontal cortex is logic. Now let's go to the second advantage of vocal coaching for speakers, which is understanding the building blocks of voice, which are pitch, pace, tone, melody, and volume. Now, why is it important to understand the building blocks of voice? Because pitch, pace, tone, melody, and volume, these are the tools you use to tune your voice, to infuse emotion into your words. And when your words are infused with emotion, they go past the amygdala, which is the gatekeeper of the prefrontal cortex, and they land with your audience. This is why we talk about connecting emotionally with your audience. You need to learn to use the building blocks of voice to infuse your words with the right emotions so that they pass through the amygdala and land with your audience. Now let's look here quickly at the third advantage of vocal coaching for speakers, which is understanding the voice types that you want to avoid: squeaky hinge, airy voice, monotone, nasal, and blocked nasal. These you want to avoid. So when you're working with your vocal coach, they'll be able to tell if you have any of these types, and then they'll be able to help you unwind that so you can get to your perfect voice. And I would say even further, your perfect, unique voice that someone loves to listen to, and that they will listen to because you know how to use the building blocks of voice to infuse your words with emotion so that your words pass that gatekeeper, which is the amygdala, and get to the prefrontal cortex. So that is the end of this quick training video covering the 3 advantages of vocal coaching for speakers. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you again soon. Thank you very much.